guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Spring is upon us. I am seriously so excited. I cannot wait for the warm weather, but for the sake of this video, that means one thing. It is spring cleaning time. I am so excited. I love spring cleaning because it's just the perfect refresh, and I love resetting my space and making it feel new again, and spring cleaning is the best way to do that. We are going to start with my favorite area to do, and that's why I'm doing it first, is the fridge and the freezer. There's just something about a clean fridge that just makes me so happy. I love going in, clearing out all the stuff that's not working for us, or it's past its date or whatever, getting out all the crumbs, wiping down all the shelves. It just makes me so happy, and it makes me so excited to like put food back into it, but especially like healthy food back into it, because when it's got a clean space, it just makes it all the more appetizing. I might be alone in that, but that's just my view on it, and it really is like such a motivation thing. I typically do like a brief clean out like once a month or so. It's only 2 of us, so it really doesn't get like that bad, but I don't do a deep clean like this all the time. Today we are going to like pull everything out. We're gonna pull out all the little shelves and everything. You'll see it, but if you are excited for this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and dive in. So here we are, fridge, freezer. Yes, it's very old school. It is what it is. I'm grateful just to have it, so we're just gonna leave it at that. I am going to wipe down the outside as well because that desperately needs it. But I think we're gonna start with the freezer first. So I'm just gonna start by like pulling everything out and then giving everything in there a good wipe down. This drawer does come out, but I don't think I have to really worry about that today. I think I'm just going to go in there with like spray and wipe everything down, and then put everything back in a much more organized manner, because right now it is just a hodgepodge of a mess. done. I found 2 things to part with, unfortunately. Some bad strawberries. I had put them in there to freeze, but unfortunately they just still got moldy. And a bag of corn that is so freezer burn. So I hate throwing away food. It is one of my biggest pet peeves, but unfortunately I just know we're not going to use it, so we're going to part with that. And now I'm going to move on to the fridge. So same process, I'm just gonna pull everything out, wipe everything down. I typically like to work top to bottom, that way all of the crumbs kind of fall, if there are any, fall to the bottom, and that way it's so much easier to clean. Not worrying about things falling on things that I've already cleaned, because that is so annoying. So I'm gonna start with the main shelves and then move on to the door, just like I did in the freezer. is done. I did find some other things that we are going to have to toss. Some bad lemon, a bad jar of gravy, a bad onion. So unfortunately, we will have to throw those away. Again, we try not to waste food, and where it's just the two of us, we usually do a really good job, but sometimes it just happens. So I'm gonna finish up with just wiping down the outside. It just gets so, like, this color like hides everything, but when you get up close, you can see like fingerprints and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna give it a good wipe down, and then we will be done. Enjoyed, and I hope this gave you some cleaning inspo to go tackle your fridge, freezer, whatever it is that you want to clean, because let me tell you, the reset really does feel good. I'm excited to get to cooking now. I'm excited to fill that fridge with some good food. This just gets me so excited and gets that spring cleaning motivation going. So go tackle your favorite project. It is the perfect way to kickstart your spring cleaning, and I will see you next week in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.